Hello! Today I'm going to show you how I built a French cleat mount that holds 18 measuring tools and only 14 inches of wall space. It may be weird to see everything arranged this way, but I think it'll measure up. This French cleat project is part of a series of French cleat videos where I'm building French cleats for my whole wood shop here, and I'll show you how I did it. My stuff is grab and go. You take your tools and use them right away. Our French cleat mounts are often imitated, which is why we have a YouTube channel. You should build this stuff.
You can do it!
These are the 18 measuring tools in question, and I'm going to hang them on the wall like I hang my other tools. Grab it the way you're going to use it, and use it immediately. I found this great notched strip of wood in my scrap bin. Don't know what it came from, but it'll suit this project very nicely. The strip and some glue give the framing square a home. A simple screw in the framing square strip makes a standoff mount that makes the I-beam level easy to grab. I'm going to mount 2 speed squares because I constantly lose these things and waste time looking for them.
Don't judge me.
3 triangular pieces of wood will hold the speed squares right where I need them.
For the tri-square, I made a wooden box just out of 1/4 inch stuff with 4 sides, and I interrupted the top a little bit so the tri-square goes in like that.
For the next tool mounts, we're going to need slotted strips, so get a strip of wood in your table saw and slot that strip. Make it look like this.
For the combination square, I took another piece of wood that has the slot cut in it, and I put a top on it. Then I cut it off at an angle. So, the combination square slides right in.
And it's glued right next to the tri-square. Short strips of that slotted wood are used to make the top and bottom holder for the 2 rulers. Mounting the rulers this way makes them more accessible in half the space than we would have used had we hung them sideways.
My digital angle gauge lives in this little pouch here. To hold it, I took 3 pieces of scrap and made a little U-shaped holder that it slides right into. The contour gauge was actually pretty simple. I used more of the slotted wood and put a couple fences on it so it just slides right in. Super simple. I keep 4 tape measures in the shop. 2 are imperial, 2 are metric. But really, honestly, most of our work is done with red here. Red's an important tape measure to us.
Why?
It's red.
Simple shelves are often overlooked in wood shops, but we don't discriminate here, so we'll use them.
I just took a few pieces of wood and I made this little mount here. It's 2 large pieces of wood with a smaller piece of wood inside and a magnet, and it makes a little shelf for the calipers to sit on. So when the calipers go in, it holds them vertically, and it comes off. Just a couple pieces of wood with the magnet inside. I built this, 3 pieces of wood to make a little trough for it to sit in vertically, and then I cut it so the line level sits in this little holster vertically. It'll make more sense when I glue it to the structure, but super simple, easy to get the line, and made of scraps. I realized right away that torpedo levels have magnets on the side, so all I need to hold this to the wall is a strip of metal.
For each of my 2 torpedo levels, they'll be self-mounting with their own built-in magnets. I wish all tools had built-in mounting magnets. The last step is to glue the French cleat to the back of this board. The cleat will allow me to hang these 18 measuring tools anywhere in the shop I choose.
8 hours later.
That's it for the French Cleat Measure project. It probably needs a better name than that. But now I have 18 tools up on the wall where I can grab them and use them immediately instead of scattered all around the shop on various workbenches and in drawers and so forth. This is the kind of thing you need in your shop where you can just grab things and use them immediately and then put them away. See how quickly I cleaned up? You can do this too, you should. If you like this sort of thing, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave us a comment. We build stuff like this all the time, and we use this stuff to build other things. But for now, I'm done with this. I'm going to take some time off. I'll see you next time.